Alright, hey guys, Sam Chris or something here. So I'm going to do a quick October toy review of all the things I got for October. Let's start with these 3 DVDs. Baby Neptune 2009, front, back, side, outside, top, bottom, and there's a disc. This is we got McDonald 09, front, back, side, top, bottom, the disc. And then My First Line 2009, front, back, side, top, bottom, disc. Blue marbles. I'm going to use those to make the Tetra Tops. Obviously, as you saw in Baby's first move, and we'll most likely see in my Baby Beethoven comparison, I reviewed this on Baby Noah's birthday after the classical animals. I got an outlet just to make it easier. And then one of the best things about October, this is going to be featured in my Baby Prodigy remake. So yeah. Yes. From Plasma Ball speaker from not the exact one from Baby Bach, but close enough to the point where I just don't care that it's not the original one, because it has a good ball inside it compared to other Plasma Ball brands, which just have like a little loop. That one actually has a ball inside. Yeah. Let me just turn that off. And yeah, that's all the things I got for October. So, sure, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.